The use of multi-robot cells to process cookies of different shapes by picking and placing them in trays with utmost efficiency and precision is remarkable. This automation not only helps optimize production processes but also reduces human errors and increases production reliability. Viprato, an innovative device, offers the ability to transform delicate pancakes into golden croquettes or delicious rolls. With the support of Viprato, shaping food is easier than ever. This beautiful little machine brings me joy and excitement every time I go into the kitchen. The machine helps me create beautiful and delicious ball-shaped cakes. The machine part is made of transparent plastic, allowing users to observe the baking process. Every day that magical machine spits out hundreds of lovely dumplings, contributing to the unique flavor of my brother's store. You want to have delicious dishes with pure tomato sauce without having to use a hand strainer. This is how you can enjoy a rich tomato sauce. Roll the crust, easy. With just a wave of your hand, the crust will immediately roll up, ready for the perfect combination with the delicious fresh red meat filling. To package products for supermarkets using new map packaging. They chose the Multivac C400 vacuum chamber machine. The world's most modern meat processing machine is this one. Do you know its name? To prepare stuffed items, engineers developed a unique assembly line that allows cornbread to be automatically filled and then folded, rolled and cut as needed. This hygienic design system can cut 120 half eggs per minute into small strips and directly dose them into trays. You can get this machine for your beloved family. Here's the chocolate macaroon recipe. Improved atmospheric packaging for sliced meat on the Silpak RE25 heat sealer is working optimally. Finally, we are excited to share our latest achievement with you, the pig head separating and packaging line. I'm going to spend the day just admiring your machine doing its job. 2,300 per minute is an impressive number. How do they make sweet corn in a can? Let's go with GoTech to discover the secrets behind the golden can of sweet corn. This video will show you how to make sweet corn in a can.